Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet these cute eyes.
Now we see how to crochet eyes. Now we start with the black part of eyes.
Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through.
Now each time we will yarn over, insert a needle into that gap created by joining that first and last stitch. Then we make a half double crochet stitch. Okay. So each time, now whatever stitches we will make, we are going to make in same manner for this first round. Okay. So each time we will yarn over, insert a needle into that hole and grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. So in this manner, in this fashion, we have to make 5 half double crochet stitches, followed by 5 double crochet stitches, followed by 5 half double crochet stitches, and at last 5 double crochet stitches. It's like we have to take alternate. First if we take double crochet stitches, so second first we take if we take 5 double crochet stitches, so next will be 5 half double crochet stitches, or vice versa. Okay. So I'll just complete this. So now here we are done with our stitches. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay. And that's it. Now for the last round we will just make, see how oval shape we get. For the last round we are just going to make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. And our black part of the eye is ready. Okay. Just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch and black part of your eye is ready. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Following exactly same pattern, make 1 more black circle. Colored part of eyes. Start with slip knot, make 8 chain crochet stitches and join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Then divide 8 stitches into group of 2 to 2. So like 4 groups will be there. In first group, in stitch number 1 and 2, in first stitch make 3 double crochet stitches, second stitch make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, that's the first group. Then in second group it will come 3 half double crochet stitches. Okay. Then in 4 5 it will be 5 6 it will be double crochet stitches, 3 double crochet stitches, and after that last 7 8 it will be 3 half double crochet stitches. Okay, so it will be like in first group 3 double crochet stitches or half double crochet stitches, whatever you start with. It's like vice versa. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, here we are done with our stitches. So we join our first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So our round is complete. Okay, sorry for background noise, my kid is playing. Okay, then for last round we just have to make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it, and our colored part of eye is ready. I'll just complete this and show you. Following exactly same pattern, make one more. This is how we place our black part on a colored part. For white circle of eyes, make a slip knot, then make 12 chain crochet stitches, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now we divide this 12 stitches into 4 groups. So 3 3 3. Okay, so in same as we did for the colored part. So either we will start with 3 half double crochet stitches or 3 double crochet stitches in group of 3 3 3. So in 1 2 3 3 3 3 double crochet stitches, next 3 stitches 3 3 3 half double crochet stitches, next 3 double crochet stitches, and next 3 half double crochet stitches. It's like double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, alternate. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now here we are done with all our stitches. Now it's time to join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now we join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. That's it. Okay, now for last round it is just one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. One slip stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Following exactly same pattern, make 2 of them, and this is how our total eyes comes. That colored part and then black part will come on it. Now we just need small white circles on black part. For small white circle, just make a slip knot, then make 3 chain crochet stitches. First the slip knot. After slip knot, make 3 chain crochet stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then starting from first stitch itself, start making 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. First, second and third. Okay, now just make a chain crochet and turn your crochet work. There you go. Now just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch and you are done. Finish. Your eyes are ready. I will show you the final piece. So these beautiful eyes are ready. So this is how a final piece looks like. You can use this crochet eyes in like amigurumi toys or any applique you have to make. As you can see, these are so beautiful, like 3D and quite cute. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. As you have already seen, this complete video was with written notes, slow demonstration and step-by-step explanation was there. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.